Alright, the plan with numbers 1 and 2, you're going to get as fast as you can with the stylus pick and then switch over to your other pick and just see if you can get a little bit further each time. With number 3, I would just stick with your regular pick because of how confusing and complicated the left hand's got to be. So let's demo all 3 at a few different speeds like usual. 60 beats per minute. Let's use the stylus pick, why not? 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. Watch your right hand as you play. Especially once you feel comfortable enough with the left hand to not look at it anymore, watch the pick the whole time. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Number 2. $60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 3. 60. Could be helpful to say the fret numbers as you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look at that. I snagged at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 8, 7, 5, 7, 6, 5, 7, 6, 8, 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5. I'm going to switch back to myself. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 8, 7, 5, 7, 8, 6, 5, 7, 6, 8, 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 8, 7, 5, 7, 6, 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 8, 7, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 40. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was wrong. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 60. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I keep wanting to do that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's see, how can we do this here? So right hand placement. Like, so you can see when I'm playing up here on that higher string here, see how far away from the bridge my hand is? If you have it too far this way, then you run the risk of not muting anything. So you need it far enough to the left to make sure that you're able to mute. So it's this part of my hand that's laying across it, not the side of my hand. It's the inside of my hand. So yeah, basically, like, think of it like you're taking your hand and laying it flat like this, but you got your pick in hand instead. Now I know you got your fingers kind of curled up like this, whatnot. Maybe try doing this instead. Like, stick these 3 fingers out, so this way you can get your pick closer to the guitar. So stick these 3 fingers out, and this way you can lay that hand across those strings and have it far enough to the left. Basically, like, my pick is over the neck pickup. You have single coils, whereas I have double coil. So getting your pick close to that single coil neck pickup would be good. So yeah, like, get those fingers out like this, and that'll allow you to get your hand closer to the strings, and hopefully that'll help some. Yeah, just keep it farther to the left than what you have been doing. It looks like your index finger is up underneath the B string when you're playing number 2. So that is a good thing, because that's going to help mute as well. So it'll be a little bit of trial and error, a little experimenting on your part to get used to placing your hand where it needs to be. So that's just a matter of, when you hear something you don't want, check where your hand is, just make little adjustments as needed, and then eventually your hand will just be used to being in the right spot every time. Alright, so if any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you next week.